Hello there! This video explains how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Micra K11. That's the filter that cleans the air you breathe and it catches pollen, dust, leaves and whatever else is floating about. But this poses a question. Why bother to replace the cabin air filter? Well, over time it becomes saturated with filth. The potential consequences include bad airflow from the car's vents, which, among other things, can make it difficult to de-steam your windows. A dirty air filter can also cause unpleasant smells. So let's go outside and change one now, shall we? Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Micra K11. Step 1 is to remove the glove box. Note then that it opens and closes by pivoting on two black plastic pins you can find up there and up there. These pins have to be removed, but how? Here's a close look at the pin on the right. To remove it, simply slide it towards the centre of the glove box. Take out the left pin in the same way, then lift up the glove box like this. We can now see this silver metal plate. It has to be removed too. Simply undo these 4 screws to do so. Now note this tall, thin panel on the black plastic box that contains the air filter. It also has to be taken out, so undo the screw at its base, then lift it off. The Nissan Micra cabin air filter is now visible. It's standing upright and we're looking at its side. To remove it, grip it with pliers, then pull. Let's now pause before the filter's fully removed. Why? Because we need to see which way it's facing so the replacement can be fitted correctly. So, look for the airflow arrow, which on my particular filter is here. Here's a close-up. We can also see the make and model of the cabin air filter. That's handy if we're not sure what type to purchase. Anyway, let's fully remove the filter and have a look at it. As you can see, it's very, very dirty and in desperate need of replacement. So, slide the new cabin air filter into the black box, making sure the airflow arrow is pointing in the correct direction. Now, replace the plastic panel and the screw at its base. To continue, put back the metal plate and its 4 screws. Now, reinstate the glove box. And push the pins back into position. Okay, we have an important final point to consider. The particular Nissan Micra K11 in this video, as I showed you earlier, has a metal plate that can be unscrewed behind the glove box. However, not every version of the car is the same. You might therefore see this plastic panel instead. Some people remove this panel by cutting through these dotted lines. Once the filter is replaced, they then fix the panel with gaffer tape, brackets or any other solution that comes to hand. Now, I don't have a car with this type of panel, so I don't know whether cutting it is genuinely the best solution or whether there's a better, less destructive alternative. Just something to bear in mind. And that's it. That's how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Micra K11. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments section. You might also like to subscribe to my channel. Why bother? Well, I've recently uploaded more Nissan Micra stuff. We've also got lots of classic car stories. What else? We've got Nissan Primera stuff. We've got Skoda. We've got Ford. All recently uploaded and plenty more to come. Right, that's all for now. Something still smells odd. Oh.